Introducing Whiteboard.chat, a tool to observe, interact, and engage with your students no matter where they are. Teacher-driven design has made Whiteboard.chat the best and fastest evolving learning platform. Go to Whiteboard.chat on any device. No download, no sign up. It's completely free to use. As a teacher, you can upload your existing worksheets or photos from textbooks and expand that with our vast library of teacher-designed tools for your subject. Each student that joins the class gets their own individual boards automatically. Teachers get a real-time bird's-eye view of all the students' work, but students cannot see each other's work. A teacher can also join the student boards to give personalized attention. Students can work on their assignments anytime, even if the teacher is not connected. They can also work in group boards, collaborating or playing games using tools built into Whiteboard.chat. Whiteboard.chat evolves rapidly to meet your teaching needs. Need a new feature? Just tell us and we'll add it. Let's level the playing field so everyone can have access to the best-of-breed tools, no matter who or where they are. Get started with Whiteboard.chat today.